what I ordered, because I ordered a handful of things off of DHGate, but this is a very exciting Gucci shoe package, and just a little sneak peek. As you can tell by the box, it's got the Gucci print, and it's going to be the leather sandal, and this retails for $850. The DHGate listing was $68.27. The one thing that I will mention about DHGate or AliExpress shoe listings is you definitely want to go with anything with 5-star reviews, but also 5-star reviews with photos, because a lot of the time they will fill in logos or put something else on there or kind of blur it out, but you honestly never know, because you could end up just like on Etsy. There's a bunch of shoes that look like it, but it's just not quite correct, and it's not like you could then take it home and fix it and make it normal. Although that has happened to me before with cloth. For Chanel, you could just cut off the little extra circles, but most of the time you want metal hardware, and you're just not going to be able to get that if it's not shown in the photos. So with this one, there was photo reviews. I'll put up a screenshot, and they also had a full assortment of shoes and Gucci as well. So if it's just a one-off listing, I wouldn't waste your time. Another good thing about this listing is that it came within 2 weeks. Most of the time you're going to be waiting a month, maybe longer, so I love the ones that actually ship right away. And as for what I'm wearing, this was on sale at Revolve. I'm going to wear it to a rehearsal dinner. It is the Majorelle brand, and this is a little mini dress. It's actually pretty comfy. I was worried that it might be kind of scratchy with it being the lace. The only thing is I needed some sticky tape to keep this up, but it was on sale for $61, which is pretty good for Revolve. So let's get into unboxing these shoes and seeing if the packaging is just legit or if it's the whole ensemble. I typically stick to bags for DHGate. I feel like that's where you know you're gonna get something good. As for shoes, I've gotten them off of AliExpress. So I've gotten Chanel sneakers, a couple Dior sandals, and those have been pristine, but I'm new to the DHGate shoes. So first of all, AliExpress typically doesn't have amazing packaging and boxes like this, and also half the time when you want the box or the packaging, you're gonna have to pay an extra $20, $50, sometimes $70 plus, depending on if you're getting the full dust bag, shoe box, etc., or if it's just like one little duster bag, it might be cheaper. So that's another plus with this. It was a very good deal for $68, plus I had a coupon code, so it brought it down to $65. Is not paying extra for that packaging, because you obviously just wanted to keep it in, but also it's very cute for display. So taking it off, just here's another little close-up of the box. Very legit. First item is like a little note card, and I'm pretty sure it should be folded over. Pretty legit, telling you to download the Gucci app. And we've got our little Chinese card. Don't need that. Okay, so we've got a dust bag to start. Very legit. I do have a real Gucci necklace that came with a dust bag. The only thing with this is it's not as thick and like more straw-like in a sense, but it's still pretty good. I mean, I haven't gotten real Gucci shoes before, so maybe that's how they are. Okay, we've got the wrapping paper, and again, just the little notion on here of what the shoe is. And size 39 for me. I'm usually a size 8, between an 8 and a 9, but since it's a sandal, got a little more wiggle room in the toes and everything, figured I'd stay true to size. Another tip is with reviews, also see if the sizing is correct, because sometimes it's a lot smaller than what you want. All right, moment of truth. It's looking very good. Oh my gosh, it's even got the little logo on the bottom. Okay, they feel nice. Like this is like an actual memory foam kind of sole. All right, so this part, it doesn't look like you can adjust it or anything, but I'm sure that should fit most people's feet. And then I'll take the little connector thing off the top. Okay, wow, even on the hardware, this is showing Gucci. And then we've got it right here, good size heel. It's like fully a heel, it's not hollow. And let's just check out the strap. As for the main outer part, there isn't any extra like bungees or stretchies, but it looks like there is on here. That's another thing always to look out for with shoes as well, is the hardware. Sometimes the zipper, the buckles might look okay, and then you actually try to be practical and use your item, and then they break right away. So right off the bat, it came off seamlessly. This is all feeling sturdy, and the strap is looking nice. So I am very much impressed with that. Let's just make sure that the other shoe is the same. You never know. All right, also looking very pristine. And I always just make sure that it says the actual right number that we ordered on there. We got the 39, so I'll also just unbuckle this one. We'll try them on and make sure that it actually is true to size. There's also a bunch of cute like boots and other things for fall on DHGate, so keep your eyes on those as the seasons get colder. And I'm gonna try these on with socks just because it is getting a little bit chillier, kind of closer to that 50-ish, 60-ish range, so I could go open-toed, but we're gonna give it a little more of a fall look. And then too, just seeing how well they fit and if I would need to wear socks if they're not fitting correctly. It went on easily. I have, I'd say, normal average width feet, but if you do have wider feet, I don't think these would work because it's kind of like just right there on the edge. Overall, for the feel, I do feel support, like that memory foam part, and just giving it, I do have another shoe on, but a little walking feel. It's not like it's gonna fall off or anything. That's the thing with some sandals, is you feel like they're gonna like slide, but I feel pretty secure. So these are definitely a keeper. Thanks for watching my exciting unboxing, and I'm gonna give you a preview of my next unboxing. This is something from Amazon. I've seen a lot of these, and I finally found one of a more detailed version. But this will be the hint. It's green. Matching the nails. Can you guess what it is? But Amazon, it's harder to find. I've never found shoes, but bags, having more luck. So stay tuned for the next unboxing. Follow my socials, Luxury Meg, TikTok and Instagram for more unboxings and get ready with me's, and check out my Pinterest and Amazon shop below, as well as Like to Know It. You can also tag DHGate, and I am getting a bag right from DHGate, a cool, very large tote. I'm not going to say the brand yet, but I'm very, very excited to be having more of an influx of some DHGate products to review. So thanks so much. Let me know what you want to see unboxed or what you've been looking for yourself, because I will scope it out for you and we'll see how to style it. Thanks, guys.